In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I fractured my wrist again. A lot of y'all remember when I had broke my wrist. I had fractured it first and then broke it in two places and had a cast for 4 months. So I've been down for like 2 weeks and some change. Kind of just staying off of it and putting my wrist guard on.
Right now.
This is kind of how it happened. This is kind of the beginning of that day. How it really started off is I got new skate shoes. Y'all remember I had the Shaws, but now I got the All-Stars. I didn't even try to break them in enough first. I definitely should have, because this park is gnarly. Ooh. Let's go. Now, I did get that front 50, which was sick, man. I've never even, that thing's steep. Nobody ever skates it that way, because you got to run up to it. So, yeah, man. It's probably some other stuff that could happen on that I got to try also. Now, I usually don't show clips of me just missing tricks, but this is something I can do first try. But for some reason, no matter how many times I tried it, I couldn't roll away. One, I changed my trucks. Y'all know I was rocking the Thunders. I changed to these, I was rocking the Grind King lockers for like a couple months. I switched back to my Thunders and I changed shoes. My foot is not sticking to the board because these shoes have these ridges on it, I guess for design, but it makes everything like not good. I'm about to learn a sad lesson about that real soon. Watch to the end and you'll see. Yo, I finally got an ollie over the Big 2. I've never even done that, so at least I got something new. Now, I tried the 50 one more time, and it still didn't work. At that point, I should have known, hey, I need to leave this alone and wait until I break the shoes in. But no. I kept trying it a couple more, but I would not admit to myself that I needed to wait and really breaking the shoes. I hadn't skated for a week, so I didn't want to hear about no breaking in those shoes. I wanted tricks, and I wanted them now. But I'm about to learn a very dangerous lesson real soon. Y'all about to see in a minute.
Right now.
It's like I tried and tried. I was like, I wanted to warm up first. Look, I'm like, my feet just couldn't get a hold of it. And I can 50 first or second try. I've done this ledge multiple times. But bro, now look, instead of me leaving it alone, I got the board slide, which is not that hard for me. But I got hyped because I landed the board slide. And I was like, maybe I could back nose it. That was a very, very sketchy idea. Look, it started off all right. But look, I'm not comfortable and my feet are not comfortable on this board. They're coming loose. My timing is different because of the trucks. Because the Thunders have a different wheelbase, so the timing on when you snap is different.
Oh.
Here it comes.
Oh
no! Bro, the worst have been confirmed. Man down. I'm falling and I can't get up.
Oh my god.
Woo.
And the
But I popped up like a G. Like at first I didn't realize how hurt I was, and then I realized my wrist was fractured for sure. And I know because I've done it like 4 times in my life and twice in the last year. Look, it just bent under there, was up. That's the reality of skating though, man. It be like that, dog.
In the cup holder or on the chair.
But I bounced back, you know. That's part of it. Like, when you skating stairs and hovers and rails, like, this can happen, man. This is a reality. It's not all sweet and lands and clips and flexing on the gram. Like, sometimes you about to get smoked. That's crazy, right? I chalk it up to teachable moment. You know, I had new shoes. They had all these ridges on it. I had to cop the Converse 1 Stars, which are good shoes. They needed to be broken in. They had all these little stars all over the little part where you would slide your foot up. It was all cute and fun and games until you get on a skateboard. Now, in my opinion, skateboard shoes, they don't even need to have that. They need to cut this out. Right. We need it to be smooth. We need it sticking to the board. All them designs, man, save that for the people who are just walking around and those kind of shoes. But skate shoes, stop it, man. Y'all already know what we need to do. Y'all know what we need. Because it got me smoked. Whoever thought of that over there at Converse, they were like, this is a great idea. It's probably like 100 people with broken arms now that was like, that was not a great idea at Converse. God, I should sue y'all for that, Converse. It's petty, man. Y'all got me hurt, Converse. Nah, man, I ain't blaming Converse. I'm a savage and I went too far. When I knew I wasn't landing that 50 that I've landed first try every single time I literally come there, and it was like 15 tries later. I didn't even show it all. I was so mad, y'all. But I had to change my trucks and shoes. When I changed the trucks, it changed the wheelbase is different, meaning like the trucks are kind of set in a different way. And then that changes the timing of when you snap even a little bit, and that little bit of timing change throws everything off. And you got to adjust for it, and it takes time. Usually you skate like a day or two, a week or so, and you get used to it. Same thing with new shoes. The shoes are set up different in a different shape. So when you go try to do your tricks, it's not going to work exactly the same way. Unless it's the exact same shape shoe. So it takes a minute to break this stuff in. I didn't do that. I went to skate a down ledge with stairs. That was dumb. And I almost did something crazier. Thank God that happened instead. Because I was about to go do something crazier down the 5-stair or the rail, and that would have been drastic. So best case scenario, teachable moment, right? I got smoked. You know, sometimes you see the clips, you be like, oh man, it's so sick, y'all, yeah. Like skating is fun, but like, yo, it's another side of it, you know? And when you do it all the time and you do it on a high level and you really want to go ham, like there's a price, you know? Get your Savage bucks out, bro. You got to pay the piper. You got to pay to play, you know? These tricks don't come for free. Some of this stuff ain't free. You're not learning to skate no down ledges and rails and down rails and all that. That don't come free. You think this one day you're going to wake up and this is going to be happening? It don't work like that, little bro. You finna get smoked at least once or twice is stupid. 30 times. Bro, you're going to get baptized in this, you know? It's not a game. I love it. I'm here for the thrills. Woo! Straight up, though. Oh, God. Man, I got so much stuff to talk to y'all about remember y'all, my legal issues? I hadn't talked about it yet, but this Thursday, after Thursday, I'm going to be able to finally talk about it with y'all because it's finna be over. Boy, I about to be quick. I don't want to talk yet. But I'm going to holler at y'all on Friday and let y'all know what happened. Everybody don't even know what I'm talking about my legal situation, but those who've been sticking with me and been in this for a long time, you know when the people got me. Oh my God, they lied on me, man. False evidence against me didn't work. Woo-hoo. Wait till I show y'all, bro. I can't talk about it yet, but it's coming, man. Thank y'all for supporting all the videos. Thank y'all for supporting me, period, dog. Straight up. I got a lot of random videos dropping too, man. I had a lot of footage. And I'm going to just be letting it go. Some people ask me about what's up with the Savage Life prospecting. Steve, drop a video. Today, I'm going to try to edit one. Man, y'all, I have so much going on with this legal stuff. My kids, my family. It's so much stuff going on, yo. So, I haven't had time. And it takes a long time to edit these videos, especially how I edit. I put a lot of time into it. I don't like to just throw anything to y'all. I gave y'all some video. Matter of fact, all this week y'all have some stuff. You know, I didn't like take all day editing it. It's one or two I did, but I didn't go crazy because I just wanted to just give y'all some material. Sooner or later, y'all gonna get some bangers coming up. Y'all always gonna get bangers, man. But yo, the Savage Life prospecting, I swear in the next 3 days, y'all gonna have a video over there. So anybody who subbed to this, sub to that, and I promise you, I'm gonna drop. It's gonna be fishing. It's gonna be mining. It's gonna be dope, man. Savage life. Let's go.